Hello guys, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today I am going to show you a very simple easy recipe of sabudana vada. Okay, these are sago pearls. This is consumed especially during fast. Before going to the recipe, please subscribe my channel if not yet subscribe and press the bell icon for the future notification. So friends, to make sabudana vada, okay, we'll need sabudana. This is also called sago pearls. Okay, this I have taken 1 cup of sago pearls and I have soaked for 5 hours. This I have soaked in normal water for 4 to 5 hours. This I have taken 3 medium sized potato, boiled potato. Okay, I have peeled off. We'll need peanut grounded. Okay, these are coarsely powdered. For that we'll need coriander leaves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. These are green chilies, crushed green chilies. Okay, this I have taken 5 green chilies. You may take as much as per your taste also. Okay, half cup of curd, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt as per our taste. So let's see how to make sabudana vada or sago pearls. Okay, we'll have to crush or grate. We'll grate the potatoes over here like this. So I have grated the potatoes. Okay, we'll add green chilies, crushed 1. I have taken 5 green chilies, a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, white cumin seeds. We'll add coarsely grounded peanuts, finely chopped coriander leaves and salt as per our taste. You can take black salt also, rock salt or black salt, that mainly used for fasting. Now we'll have to mix it properly. Make a nicely combined dough. I'll be making a dough of it. Mix all the ingredients properly. All the potatoes lumps should get combined to the sago pearls. So guys, this dough is prepared. Okay, I have prepared the dough. It should be just like a laddu or a ball formed. Okay, nicely combined. It should not crackle. Okay, this consistency we want. Okay, it should roll out. So we'll be making a vada shape of it. We'll be dipping our palms. Okay, a slightly make it wet. Okay, we'll take a portion of it and we'll make this kind of shape just like a vada. So I have prepared all the vadas, okay, of the sago pearls, sabudana vada, and we'll deep fry it. Okay, so I have heated the oil properly. Okay, it's on a medium temperature. We'll dip a sabudana vada in the oil. Let it fry till golden brown. The flame should be high to medium. I have taken out of the oil. Okay, this texture and this color should be of the sabudana vada. Okay. We'll fry all those vada in the oil. Okay, likewise. So friends, our sabudana vada are ready to eat. Okay, they are good for fasting, those people who fast, okay, on in the festive season. This dish is for them especially. This is a curd dip I have made. It contains curd, roasted cumin seed powder, a half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Just mix it well, okay, and you may have with the vada. Guys, if you like this recipe of mine, you try at home and share your comments to me in the comment box, and please like, share and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you. Take care.